Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and unplugging the device so you can work safely. Use a magnifier and flashlight, inspect the USB-C or barrel port, cable jacket, and plug for bent pins or burn marks. Once done, swap in a known good compatible charger to confirm whether the Chromebook accepts power. If the LED or charging indicator changes, the adapter is likely the issue. If nothing changes, you'll need to measure voltage next with a multimeter and check connector continuity. You now diagnose with a multimeter. First, measure the adapter's voltage at the plug under no load. Compare it to the adapter's rating. Next, perform a continuity and resistance check along the cable to detect internal breaks. Wiggle the cable while watching the meter for fluctuations. Then open the Chromebook if comfortable. Visually inspect the USB-C or barrel jack solder joints and surrounding power traces for cracks or corrosion. If you find a loose jack, removing and replacing or reflowing the solder is often the fix. You proceed to replace the faulty component. Swap the cable or carefully desolder and replace the USB-C/barrel jack with an exact spec part, ensuring correct orientation and solder bridges. Once reassembled, power on and test charging with both your original and spare chargers while monitoring battery percentage and heat for 10 to 15 minutes. If charging still fails, perform a battery disconnect reset or firmware/BIOS reset. If none of those work, the fault may be on the power IC and will need board-level repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.